Hey there, hope you are doing good. I am Mujahid Farooq and my age is 23. I just graduated from University of Sargodha in computer sciences. I am a web developer with more than 6 years of experience and I have been working in the field even before my studies. I have done over 100 plus projects in past. I am expert in PHP, Laravel, CodeIgniter and WordPress mainly. I have done on 5 major products in past which are Graphy, Verified Match, F100, Freelance as well as CoinChaser.cc. So if you are looking for a professional developer, then you are at perfect place. Moreover, I am running a software company which is named as Softilio. We are a multinational software company which are working in Sargodha, Pakistan and London, UK. We are offering web development, mobile app development, graphic designing and digital marketing services in our software company. So if you are looking for a professional developer, then you are at perfect place. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.